Harvey, a well-defined hurricane, the first Category 3 since Wilma in 2005 to strike the United States, and it's going to in a matter of hours. You can see it's moving to the northwest now at about 10 miles per hour, and look at this. This just came in. This is a Category 4 hurricane now. The 6 p.m. advisory, just as we went on the air, winds to 130 miles per hour, gusting to 155. It has slowed a bit, northwest at 8. This could well come in now as a full-blown Category 4 hurricane and stay that way, staying as a 1 all the way as it moves up toward Cuero. 85-mile-an-hour winds at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 70 at 1 a.m. And then doing this loop, that's what we're concerned about, this slow trek back to the south, off to the southeast, through Matagorda Bay, and then up toward Houston Tuesday and into Wednesday. So that's going to be a big concern, because that's the kind of path that will continue to just unload huge amounts of water in the form of rainfall coming in here. You can see there's the close-up of the storm as it moves right now toward the Rockport area. We have already seen the effects of the feeder bands all day long, a number of tornado warnings in the last 3 hours, and right now there are 2 to tell you about. This one, until both of them until 6:15. This one that moves anywhere toward the Wharton County area, that big storm in that red you see, that's moving to the northwest at 45, and then back off to the east here from Freeport, Lake Jackson, Angleton, West Columbia. The second one also until 6:15. So keep your guard up with these feeder band tornadoes. In addition, there's a flood advisory until 6:30 from Lamarck to Alvin, where you've already had 3 to 4 inches of rain. So the heavy rains have already begun, and they're only going to get worse. Tornado watch is in effect until 2 in the morning for the counties you see in red, and what you see in green has been expanded now up to the north. That is obviously a flash flood watch until Monday morning at least. So we have exact track radar that we're going to continue to monitor for these heavy rain totals as this system continues to push across. I want to show you some of the wind speeds along with this path. You can see this yellow right here. That's 40-mile-an-hour winds, and that's possible through tomorrow morning, anywhere from Fort Bend County right on into parts of Brazoria County as this moves onshore. So there are the possibilities for at least some tropical storm force winds, but wind is not our major issue. Clearly, it is this loop bringing in the heavy rain. Right now, the winds are at 31. 51 in Rockport, 41 in Corpus Christi, gusting to 62. So that gives you an idea of real-time conditions. What we're forecasting, and this is the European rainfall, and this does a pretty good job with what looks like the path is going to be, which is to say by Monday at 4, we're looking at 16 inches of rain across the area. And then as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, we're up to 35 and 40 inches of rain in some spots. In fact, the National Weather Service had us at 15 to 30, but look at this spot from Victoria to Columbus to Bay City. They've just added this circle here, this bullseye of 40 inches of rain affecting millions of people. And then clearly for the rest of us, 15 to 30, up toward Huntsville, 10 to 15, onto the north, 5 to 10. But this is going to be one of the most catastrophic floods we have seen in Texas ever. Coming up, I'll show you some of the forecasts for the bayous and the rivers that have already come out.
All right, Frank, thank you.